storm's louder than the cannons, but I've got the wheel.
You stole the heart. Now every tide's against us.
Then we'll sail faster.
Time doesn't wait. It moves forward, backward, sometimes feels like all at once. The question is...
The video you just watched was actually created using Sora 2, the latest AI video generation tool that's been making waves across social media lately. Ever since its release, Sora 2 has completely taken over the internet. People are calling it the future of video creation.
Out here, there are no second chances. The wind will strip you to bone. The fire takes what's left. Then you fight!
But here is the catch. To use Sora 2, you need an invite code. And even if you manage to get one, the tool is currently restricted only to users in the US and Canada. That means most people around the world cannot try it out yet. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora 2 without any invite code and create high quality, professional looking videos just like the one you saw earlier. And that's not all. I will also show you Sora 2 Pro, which is an upgraded version capable of generating even more realistic and cinematic videos than the original Sora 2. So make sure to watch till the end because you are going to love this. I recently discovered a website that lets you use Sora 2 Pro. And the best part is, you don't need any invite code for it. The website is called Higgsfield. So if you also want to create such stunning videos using Sora 2 Pro, make sure to check out this website. It's packed with tons of next level features that make video creation faster, smarter, and way more creative. So first, go to higgsfield.ai. You can either search for it directly on Google or simply click the link I have shared below this video, okay? Once you are on the site, just create an account. It only takes a minute. After signing up, you will see a dashboard that looks something like this. Honestly, I was really impressed with this platform. It's super clean, easy to use, and packed with powerful tools. Here you can do a lot of things, from generating AI images to creating AI videos. And the best part is, all the premium AI models are available in one place. That means you don't need to buy multiple subscriptions on different platforms. With just one tool, you can handle everything: image generation, video creation, and access to the latest, most advanced AI models, all in one dashboard. And if we talk about the pricing, it starts at just $9 per month, which is honestly a great deal considering what it offers. So now let's create an amazing video using Sora 2 Pro and see how powerful this tool really is. So I used ChatGPT to generate prompts for each scene of my long video. That way I already have a full script broken down into multiple parts. Now the first thing you need to do is go to the video section on the Higgsfield dashboard. Once you are here, you will see three options: video, draw to video, sketch to video. Make sure you stay on the video option. Next, you will need to select a general model. Once you click on it, you will see a list of all the premium AI models available, like Sora 2, VO 3.1, Clean, 1 2.5, VO 3, Minimax, Serans, and 1. From this list, we will be selecting Sora 2 since that's the model we want to use for this project. After that, you will get the option to upload an image, but this step is completely optional. You can skip it if you don't have any specific image to use. And just so you know, you will also see a note here that says human faces not supported, which means the tool doesn't allow real human faces to be uploaded or generated. So we will simply skip that part and move ahead. Next, we need to enter our prompt here. So I will simply copy my first scene's prompt and paste it into this box just like this. Okay. After that, we have to select a model to generate our video. And this is exactly why I say this tool is absolutely next level, because it gives you access to almost every major AI model out there. As you can see, it includes Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Sora 2 Max, and even Sora 2 Pro Max. So for this video, I will be choosing Sora 2 Pro since it currently produces the most realistic and high quality results compared to other models. Once that's done, you will get the option to select the video duration. You can choose between 4 seconds, 8 seconds, or 12 seconds. Select the one that suits your scenes best. I am going with 12 seconds for this example. Then you will need to choose the resolution, either 720p or 1080p. I will keep it at 720p for now to save a bit of time during generation. Next, select the aspect ratio. And I will go with 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube video, right? And finally, click on generate. And just like that, our video will start generating. While the first video is generating, let's move on and create the next scenes. So I will go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, and then come back to Higgsfield to paste it right here. Exactly the same way as before, all the settings will remain the same model, duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Once everything looks good, just click on generate again. Now you can see the second video has also started generating. And next I will take the third prompt, copy it, and follow the same process to generate that scene too. And I will keep repeating this step for all the remaining prompts one by one until I have created videos for every single scene, okay? While our videos are still generating, let me show you something really interesting. If you look here, you will see an option called Sora 2 Trends. This section allows you to create trending AI videos using Sora 2, just like the ones going viral across social media right now. So first you need to select the platform where you want to post your video. It could be YouTube, Instagram, or even TikTok. Once you have chosen your platform, simply type your prompt in the box. Then click on Visual and Studio. And this is where things get really exciting. Here you will find a bunch of customization options to give your video the exact look and feel you want. You can choose the style of your video, whether you want it to look realistic, cartoon, anime, or even fully custom. You can also adjust the craziness level from low, medium, high to ultra high, depending on how creative and dynamic you want your visuals to be. Next, you can set the montage style. If you want smooth transition, go for slow paced. If you prefer something more energetic, choose fast paced. You can also decide to keep no cuts at all. And under the sound section, you will get the option to add background music or even upload your own custom track if you want your video to have a specific vibe. After that, you can select the language for the voiceover. There are plenty of options available here, and you can even customize the speech settings. Set it to auto or manual and adjust the speech tempo to match the pace of your video. Once everything looks good, just click on Save Changes. Now go to the Settings tab. Here you can choose the video duration, adjust the quality, and select the mode like Standard, Pro, Max, or Pro Max. So for this example, I will go with Pro since it gives the best balance of speed and quality, okay? If you are making a product-based video, you can also upload your product image or file directly here. Then select a preset. There are tons of templates available depending on the type of video you want to create. Once you have set everything up, simply click on generate. And that's it. Look at the video it has created.
We built our walls to keep the darkness out. Now the darkness wears our crown. But if this is where it ends, then I kneel only to rise again.
Oh my god, amazing. Here also you can see it has successfully generated all our scenes one by one. So now let's go ahead and download these videos. To download, simply click on the download icon next to each clip and your video will start downloading instantly. In the same way, I will download all the videos one by one until I have every scene saved on my device. I've already downloaded all my clips and combined them together into a single video. So now let's take a look at the final result.
Warning, 60 seconds before breach.
Got it, hold on.
55 seconds.
on the edge of extinction. One man, one mission, one last signal.
Pretty amazing, right? I mean, just look at the details of the video, the visuals, the smooth transitions, and those perfect sound effects. It doesn't even look like an AI generated video. It literally feels like a professional movie trailer. So, if you also want to create such stunning videos using Sora 2 Pro, make sure to check out this website. It's packed with tons of next level features that make video creation faster, smarter, and way more creative. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because there are many more exciting tutorials and AI tools coming up next.